Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add transition in PowerPoint presentation. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add transition in PowerPoint presentation. When you are here in your project, just click transitions. After that, select the style you want. You have here more, fade, push, wipe, and if you click in this drop down menu, even you can get more styles. Okay, if for example I select morph, and then here if you go to effect options, you can select objects or words or characters. Okay, for example objects. And if you want to have different transitions, then go to the second slide and select, for example, push, and then third slide, for example, split, and the final slide, for example, fade. Okay, now let's check how it look like. Just go to reading view. Yeah, this is how it look like. Yeah, this is how to add transition in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.